Here we got the WaveBlaster 1 seat. For the most part it's factory. Somebody did rewrap it once before with black leather and all that, but we've got, during all this winter project, I got a new seat cover for it that's going to end up removing the plastic panel right here, so it'll be completely over it. We'll see if I need to, once I get this removed, may have to put some type of foam down here so it doesn't have like kind of a drip right there. It will be nice and smooth, soft all the way down. So let's get this thing torn apart and see what all we got to take out. Alright, we got that bottom compartment removed. Now you got to get all these Phillips heads taken out and then the panels will come off. So let's get these pulled out. There we go. Those are all off of there. I'm just gonna start getting all this off. And I got all the staples. Not really out. I just kind of took a screwdriver and pried underneath all of it because most of these are rusted and tiny. So I think I can knock them off a lot easier once this leather is off of it. So this turned up. It's not a bad leather. I mean, it's holding up just fine. I was just ready to get rid of the little side panels, so got rid of that. So far we got it disassembled. Now we just got to get prepped for the leather to go back up. Getting there slowly. This is what this side looks right now, but we've already done this side, cut the foam, got it glued and trimmed up, so just got to do that again on this side, so get that done. Well, I gave up on trying to staple the seat and stretch it and heat it and do it all myself. I'd done a little bit of it and I just couldn't get the contour of the seat, like right here. I just couldn't get this to drop down. It kept just staying like straight as can be, even with me heating it up and everything, trying to pull as tight as I could. So we ended up taking it to some professionals and having them install it and everything, and they got it a lot tighter than I would have, cause I don't know if I didn't really show y'all before, but there was actually a pretty good bit of material, probably about that much further out, that I was kind of stapling, and I wasn't even getting up into this. So as you can tell, they really heated everything up and got it a lot tighter than I would have. So yeah, it's complete. Got it all together. The foam that I added right here, all the way, it worked out great. So all that was good. So now we just got to get the bottom bolted up onto it, and it's ready. One step closer. I mean, obviously this is kind of more like a in the end kind of thing, but we still got all this. I'm starting on this. I got the this one in right here. I'm probably not making a video of installing this and everything. This is the factory one where I got it yanked off and all that. So it was cracked and stuff. Here's the new one, which, as you can tell, it's a lot, not as long, which I knew that, but the thing that's bothering me is, I don't know if you can see these gaps. You see that gap in there? Definitely a lot of, this one's not that bad. I mean, I know I can split it, but definitely a lot of gap there that, I don't know, may end up taking some fiberglass and filling that in a little bit on both sides, because I don't know how well the glue or adhesive will fill all that in very well. But and this is pretty rough, this material, so I'm probably going to sand it down and polish this area, get a little bit smoother. Maybe that'll help a little bit. But that's what we got. And like I said, there's the seat. It's ready to rock and roll, looking good and everything. Now we just got to get the rest of the ski looking good.